Hi, welcome to the navigation video on how to update your profile on the NCS platform. In this video, you will learn how to use the View or Update Profile option to modify your profile easily. To access the NCS platform, enter this URL on the web browser of your mobile or computer. As you enter into the NCS website, on the right side, you will see a login link. Bring your cursor on the login link and click on it. On clicking the login, you will be taken to the login page. In login page, enter your username and password registered in the NCS portal. If you are a new user, then first register your profile in the NCS portal by clicking on the New User Sign Up tab. You can refer the video how to register on NCS portal for more detail. As login in at NCS portal, this is the first screen that you'll see. After login to the NCS portal, then click on View or Update Profile link from the left panel. When you click on the View or Update NCS Profile link, you will see 4 tabs that contain all your information. Let's take a look at each of these tabs. The first tab is Experience. Here, you can view and edit your previous professional information. You can add and update about all the jobs you have done previously, your respective roles and responsibilities, and employer details. You can also indicate how long you have served your previous employers. The second tab is Education and Training. This is where you can view and modify your educational qualification related information. The third tab is Personal Info. This tab is where you can manage your personal details. You can enter all the personal details required by any recruiter while going through your profile. Lastly, the fourth tab is Communication. This tab is where you can manage your address, contact, and communication-related details. These details can be used by recruiters or anyone using the portal for job-related purposes to contact you. The details include mobile numbers, residential addresses, email addresses. You can now update your key skills by adding new keywords or removing existing ones. Simply enter the keywords and separate them by a semicolon if you're entering more than one. Next, select your total work experience in years and months from the drop-down list. You can then enter the number of days in which you can join your next job in the Available to Join in field. Fill in your job title in the current or last job title field. Enter your last drawn salary and select the current salary duration from the drop-down. You can also select the current employer organization type from the drop-down. For example, you are currently working in private organization, then select private from the drop-down. Then, if you're currently a job seeker, select the highlighted checkbox. To add more about your employment history, simply click on the Add More button. Once you click on the Add More button, a new display screen appears with more fields for adding experience details. Now, in employer name, write the name of company you worked in. Next, in employer address, mention the detailed address of the company. Then, in state, district fields, mention the district and state where your company was located. Now, select the employment organization type from the drop-down. Next, in designation, mention the designation. Now, in nature of job, select and enter the nature of job you did, as part-time, full-time, internship, etc. Then in Add Experience page, enter the sector of work of the company from the given options in drop-down. And then select Function Area. It will show a list of functional areas based on the sector you have selected in Sector field. Now, select the functional role as per your job title from the drop-down. For example, here we are selecting Software Engineer. Next, enter the start date and end date of your work in the previous company. There is checkbox given within current job, which you can select if you still work in this company. Once you select this checkbox, the end date text box will automatically disappear. After entering start date, end date or selecting his current job, you have to enter the key responsibilities you have done in that job. Here you can enter your work, team size, and key roles of your profile. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save button to submit all the details. In the Preference section, fill your preferred location for the job. You can select multiple locations. Next, select the job nature you are searching from the drop-down, that is, full-time, work from home, part-time, etc. You can also fill your preferred shift timings, that is day shift or night shift. Now, click the Save button to save the work-related information entered in Experience tab. Now, click on the Education and Training tab. This page allows you to add or update the existing qualification details. Select your highest qualification level from the drop-down, and it is a mandatory field. To change the existing information and uploading new documents, click on Edit button. After clicking on Edit tab, you can select the degree or qualification you want to add and provide its details. The details include the specialization, board or university, and institute from where you obtained the degree. Additionally, you can edit and modify existing details such as entry date, year of passing, nature, and medium of the course. Now, select the grade, percentage or percentile from the drop-down and enter the value you have obtained. Once you have filled all the details, click on Update button to save the qualification details. On clicking the Save button, you will be redirected back to Education tab. If you have more than one degree or qualification to add, don't worry. Simply click on the Add More button and enter the details of your additional degree or qualification. It's that easy. Once you have entered your degrees and qualifications, it is important to upload their respective certificates and mark sheets for authentication purposes. To upload your documents, you can use your devices such as a laptop or mobile phone. Alternatively, you can also fetch all the documents from the DigiLocker. The NCS portal is connected to DigiLocker, which is a government-authorized secured platform for keeping and linking legal documents. It is mandatory to upload certified documents related to your educational details for authentication purposes. For this, simply click on the Upload Document button, log into your DigiLocker account, and select the document you wish to fetch. Once selected, the document will be linked and uploaded to the NCS portal. Remember, both NCS and DigiLocker are government-authorized secured platforms, so you can rest assured that your documents are in safe hands. You can request and upload the certificate from the authorized institute or university too. For this, click on the Pull Issues document and then enter the required details. In Institute Name, this will provide you a list of university and institutes from which you can select the name of your institute and then Document Certificate Name. Here you can select degree or diploma certificate. And then enter your roll number in the text box and click on Fetch Document button. Your mark sheet will be fetched and linked to your profile. The third section of the page is dedicated to personal info. Here, you can enter your first name, last name, gender, marital status, and guardian details to keep your profile up to date. Please note that certain fields like first name, gender, date of birth, and marital status are mandatory. These information must be filled out to complete your profile. Also, you can upload your photograph from your device by clicking on the Select Image link. Additionally, on this page, you'll find the Upload Your CV label. This feature allows you to upload your updated resume through your device or DigiLocker. Now, click on the highlighted Upload to upload your unique identification document like Aadhaar, PAN, etc. Although it is not a mandatory field. In the same tab, users can add their physical attributes or if any special medical conditions in details under the Physical Attribute and Miscellaneous section. And in the Communication section, the user can update their current and permanence addresses. User can input their current address along with the landmark and postal code for communication purpose. Next is Permanent Address tab. If the permanent address and current address are same, user does not need to enter the information all over again, there is a checkbox given with permanent address with label, same as above. Once the user clicks and selects this checkbox, portal automatically fills all the details from the current address. Else you can manually fill the details of your permanent address as the current address which are. After entering all the details, click on Save button to save the address. Once you save your updated information, the portal displays the message, details have been saved successfully. So now using View or Update Profile option, users can add additional information even if they did not have documents or details while creating their profile. Thank you and all the best.